Today I want to talk about how to adapt in new situation or in new environment. First of all, you don't want to first thing you don't want to do is panic at it and having a feeling where you don't fit in, you want to run from it. Don't do that. Instead, you only sit there and find a way. You have to do kind of brainstorm to overcome the things that you have to do, because a lot of time the adaptability, if you want to adapt to a new place, it's simply the time, the duration that you need to be there, and you will work harder, and you have to accept it during the first stage or the early time when you're in that situation. And from there you ask a lot of questions from other people. So I want to give a story myself. I'm starting this new job. It's really different in scope, and I don't know what to do. It's simply different scope, and I don't have an experience. For example, in construction activity, I only have an experience in electrical work. And from there, what I do is I learn a lot. You need to ask a lot of questions. You need to show that you are trying. You are trying your best to find an answer. And sometimes what happens, you started reading first. After you get the basic idea, then you can ask question, and then you can also tell the person that you're asking, maybe the person you reported to, and you can relate to the prior knowledge that you already have. And from there, you will improve a lot. I mean, after you starting to understand this and you get the answer from the person who is experienced in the field, they can give you such a nuanced knowledge. The answer that you simply cannot get from the book, it's really different, and you get much more information from this. And that answer sometimes takes a lot of time to know about it, but you get it just by asking a simple question. And make sure to work on it also to understand where was this conclusion coming from, and make your own conclusion. Because when we're studying things, we don't want to simply take what other people think. We need to experiment to ourselves and see whether it's working for you or not. And every information, everything, every theory that you've studied, it is not yours yet. It's not your own yet. If you didn't use it, if you started using it, then you can make it your own. Because from my observation, there are a lot of things that you doesn't have to be pioneer. You don't have to come up with new idea, new things. You only need to improvise things that already existed. So you want to swipe it, steal it, and make it yours. And that's what's truly amazing, because we live in the world of a lot of informations flowing in, flowing out, and it's only up to us to make use of this information that we have, and make sure, if you don't want to be overloaded with all this information, you need to have a discipline where you find the only information that you need, and then start practicing it, start using it. Because the longer you start using it, you will be paralyzed by all this analysis. And that's also the thing that I'm grateful for, to be able to get all this knowledge with the AI, helping me a lot with my report. And that's about it. To adapt, it only takes time. You ask a lot of questions, and you be present. Present is also the key thing in this step.